Traders, welcome. It's Edison here from Edison Trading Collective. Today is February 16th. It's about 2:30 p.m. market time. Thought I'd give you a quick recap and trade explanation on my very successful short here on Tesla this morning. Out of the gates trade, had a little chop to work through, and I think there's some learning lessons here, so I kind of wanted to go through all of it, let you know what was going on in my head as the trade went on. So out of the gates here, market was up a little bit pre-market here. Both you can see the SPY here was sort of trending upward, and of course Tesla was following it. That's a really key point. Tesla very much mirrors the SPY many times. However, when it starts to decouple from the SPY, things can get really juicy. So that's what happened today, and that's part of the reason that kept me in the trade. I almost got shook out here and took a small controlled loss, which is fine. But had a little fortitude and stuck with it, and made a nice winner, about just shy of $1,100 on 7 contracts, about 9% winner. So a solid result. So let's get to it. As I said, I was kind of looking to the long side here with Tesla. If you look at the daily, it had showed some strength yesterday after what was pretty much a fake out day here. And looks like it was going to open about flat, maybe a little up. Market as well was sort of trending upward at the time, and the market really rolled over, and it took Tesla with it. So the second that Tesla broke down below this cloud and the market showed its weakness, I said, okay, well, I better switch sides, and I prefer to be short anyway, so that was okay. So we kicked off the market here with kind of a nasty candle, and the SPY was really starting to truck a little bit, and Tesla wasn't really going with it. So I ended up getting short here, a few contracts right around here, and added some actually as it came down. Of course, as you see here now on this candle, the 834 candle and 833 candle, it showed quite a bit of strength. But if you notice, the volume here on this 834 candle started to wane off, and this is kind of where I started to get my conviction. I actually added a little bit more. Look at this over here, the 835 candle. The SPY rips to a new high and puts in a huge wick candle, which was just fantastic for me to see. And if you notice here, as the market's making new highs and ripping, Tesla stalls. Buying goes nowhere. And that's when I knew I was in for a pretty decent trade. I actually kind of thought I was going to get a little bit more out of this than I did, but not complaining. I think it was a good trade overall. So I held through kind of these upper candles here as I was doing a little volume analysis, and everything stayed, below the cloud, which I like to see. I'm not an Ichimoku trader by any means, but I do use it to sort of just add a little confirmation and confidence to my decisions. And look at all these upper wicks up here, right? I mean, these are just gorgeous if you're short something. Market's pushing higher, and this can't. That's great. So that's when I say when something decouples from the SPY's moving up, and Tesla's not following. In fact, Tesla starts to roll over as the market's going up a little bit. So the second the market started to show some weakness, which I thought it would, I knew it was really going to drag Tesla down. And of course, look at this movement right here, right? So I ended up closing out my contracts, the bulk of my contracts right here. So I was holding for new lows for the bulk of it. I did take a few contracts off, and I took the last 4 off. I had 7 in total. This pushed down through lows. Great trade. Again, up about $1,100 in about 10 minutes. Very little risk in this trade, I think. I used all the indicators and all the resources at my disposal to keep me in the trade responsibly, and things worked out well. So hope you liked the video. Any questions or comments, please go ahead and put them down below. I'll be sure to check in as often as I can and answer any questions or respond to comments you all have. Like, subscribe if you'd like. Hope to do this daily for you all. Take care.